What is up, YouTube? So today, here are the Bellware questions. Please pause the video now and answer them. Next, what we're doing today, we're going to learn how to make a claim and back it up with evidence and reasoning. And then you're going to demonstrate your knowledge of ecology on a quiz. Okay, so here was the exit ticket yesterday. I had a graph of time on Instagram versus happiness, and you were supposed to write a CER based on the data. So the question was, what's a claim that you could write? And here are some examples of exemplary claims. So what I was looking for is basically to analyze that data. So for example, spending time on Instagram decreases happiness. Instagram does not make you happy. As the time on Instagram progresses, the happiness goes down. More time on Instagram, the less self-reported happiness. These were all claims that were good. Many people noticed that as the x-axis went up, so the y-axis went down. That was negative correlation. Next, provide evidence from the graph. So here, what I was looking for people to use numbers and for it to make sense. So for example, at 0 minutes, the self-reported happiness was around 7.5, while at 120, the happiness drops down to around 4.5. Also, someone said when you spend 120 minutes, your happiness goes down from a 7.5 to a 5. Or after spending hours on Instagram, your self-happiness goes down to a 4, which is less than what you had to begin with. So these are all examples of using the data to support that time on Instagram decreases happiness. Next, I said provide evidence from the reading. So what I was really looking for here is just like a quote from the reading in the survey. And I was really looking for people to mention fear of missing out or FOMO. And the people that quoted that would have gotten full points. Next one, reasoning. So reasoning can be a little difficult. It's an explanation of how the evidence connects to the claim. For example, it's supporting how humans are sadder because they believe that it's because people see their friends having fun and they get sad because they aren't doing the same fun thing. Or someone said because people compare themselves to people who are models. Or because they see what they miss out on Instagram, so they are sadder. Or like the graph supports how people are sadder because the graph shows people on Instagram becoming more sad. So this last one really shows like how the evidence clearly supports the claim, which I'd like. Remember, what I look for is basically you have an explanation, and that could be like if you use a word like because or since. These are all things your reasoning should have. Okay, perfect. And then I gave you a graph, and you're supposed to analyze a claim for this. So we have a graph of air quality versus proportion of people with asthma, and you're supposed to get a claim out of this. So to pause this video, think about a claim that you could write. Next, the claim that I wanted people to get is that you notice that the worse the air quality gets, the more people with asthma. And then you're supposed to look at the graph and try and get evidence or data to support this claim. For example, the evidence could be hazardous air quality has 12% of people with asthma, but only 6% of people will have asthma with good air quality. And then the reasoning should connect to that. So because there's 6% more asthma with bad air quality, unhealthy air must cause more asthma. That could be an example of reasoning. Then we did a Kahoot. And then last thing for the day, do the attendance survey on Thursday, and then go back to week 3 Wednesday and find CER quiz and take the quiz. It's right here. Factors affecting carry capacity. This is the quiz. Please take it. Good luck. The quiz is going to be due on Friday. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.